everyone, we're here in Arizona Beach Resort and we're just finished in Bataan and we're going to show to you the rooms and the place there inside.
This is lobby. It's lobby Arizona. Good evening.
Good evening.
Hello vlog.
Fish. Oh.
But it looks like
I think this fish also hungry, same like Shaira.
I say like this by
Same?
yes.
Okay.
No, more tiger.
Tiger, okay.
Like
This is restaurant. Restaurant. Foods. It's not for us. It's good. Mexican all day. 10% discount. Hi. Marcus will show.
Please welcome in my house.
Light.
So, yes.
Light. Oh. Oh, it's good. TV. And color yellow. It's good.
Yeah, it's okay.
Not simple, like white always.
Yes. It's okay.
How much you pay about?
I think like approximately $40.
$40.
$45.
$45.
It's not too cheap, but it's okay. I would say it's okay because other hotels I searched for other hotels, and it was more expensive. That's why that's why we decided to stay here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So nice. A window have or not always. I don't know about view, but good.
And the CR, it's not really, it's okay.
It's okay.
It's just
Simple.
okay.
Yes.
Simple, but
Simple.
okay.
Yes. Hot water have it's enough. Okay. Okay. Shaira. Okay. I want little bit walk. No, already dark. I cannot go to the beach because you cannot see. So I will only show to you only Arizona Beach Resort, and later we will go to the bars. Maybe I will try to take a video nearby bars. This is restaurants. Shaira, can I see menu? Yeah, I will show to my subscribers. Menu also. Price.
breakfast.
It's breakfast. Breakfast from 7 to 10 a.m.
This is adobo.
Okay, it's Filipino. Sandwiches also. I will faster. Someone who can watch just
Mexican.
pause. Mexican.
These are big already.
It's Arizona
Barbecue also.
barbecue.
Seafoods.
It's Indian. Indian.
This
Indian.
one it's not Indian.
Mhm.
Curries.
Pasta.
Pasta.
Salad.
Soup. Dessert.
Ага.
Salad.
Oh, Shaira, what is this?
It's tinola.
Tinola.
Chicken soup.
Chicken soup. And this,
This
one?
one is caldereta. Caldereta.
Caldereta.
It's beef. Caldereta.
And this Mexican foods.
It's beef quesadilla. Beef quesadilla.
Okay.
And also iced coffee.
Ice coffee.
And I
course.
ordered 2 rice.
2 rice. Shaira because hungry. Need 2 rice.
Kaya nga, bakit?
What is
Di ba
this?
pwede ako mag-girlfriend, mag-mahal muna?
This is Arizona bar. Hi. Hello, hello, Polly. Bar also have.
Hi everyone, we're here in Arizona Beach Resort and later we're going to bars here in what name?
Barretta.
Barreto with our friends.
Yes.
Wait,
Do you like Arizona Hotel Resort?
yes, it's
You eat before in restaurant, so you like this restaurant.
Yes. But I'm beautiful, right?
Of course, you always beautiful. Even you without makeup, Shaira, you know.
It's little bit only.
Only little bit, it's okay.